In a desperate effort to make our kitchen a little less, bought these peel and stick tiles, so let's do them together. Necessary supplies include a cutting board, a ruler, a knife, and a whole lot of patience. With everything being so expensive, I feel like we all just need to learn to work with what we have and make it nicer. So this is my attempt at that. So there we have it. I absolutely love it. I think it looks so nice. I'm definitely gonna get some under cabinet lights, so let me know if you guys want to see that.